yous going today? A little bit of an update on the Mahindra for yous. Now, in my last video I did about it, or I mentioned that I was a bit upset because I couldn't get a dash mat for it, and I rang Mahindra in Australia, their head office over there, and they couldn't get me a dash mat for it either. Our local people couldn't, and in the end I rang these people, okay, in the Hunter Valley in New South Wales. I was actually raised over in that area there, in Talara actually, which is a suburb of Maitland. Okay, and I used to go to Maitland Boys High School, so there you go. But I would like to thank Katie, okay, a really huge thank you, because look what's on my dash. It's a dash mat. And Katie, I rang Katie, and she, they didn't have one in stock, but they rang everywhere and got me one, okay? And it's awesome. And Matt, or Matthew, okay, parts and services. Now they do four-wheel drives like it says there, but they're also the Hunter Valley Mahindra agent as well. Hunter Valley Mahindra, you can see that written there quite plainly. I would really love to thank these two people. They went above and beyond. It didn't just stop with we don't have one, sorry. It said we don't have one, but let's see if we can get you one. And they did, and we believe it's the last one in Australia. Okay, now these are actually made in Australia, these dash mats. But Mahindra consider it an optional extra, and as there's a new model out, they've changed the dash in the new model, and they've changed the way the lights and the grille and everything look on the front of it, and probably a few other things. They've put a different radio in it, and I don't know. Mahindra said to me, well, we consider the dash mat an optional extra. Well, in Australia, mate, I'd just like to say this, because of the sun, and it's a very bright sun we have over here in summertime, it does tend to crack dashes, and most people would consider a dash mat to be a necessary part of a vehicle, okay, when they buy one. I don't know anyone that drives around without a dash mat on their car, because the plastics just all crack and fade, okay? So I would really love to thank these people, and they sent me a sticker, and I did put it on my car, okay, right there for everybody to see. Okay, so Katie and Matthew, big hugs and a big thank you from me. Another thing I had fitted was some toolboxes underneath here, to get all the junk out of the cab. What junk, you might ask? Well, the jack and everything that was under the seats and all that sort of stuff is now in these boxes. And that's a 3mm, they're made out of 3mm checker plate, very good. And they lock very well. And on this side over here is my second battery. We'll talk more about that later on when I have it all sorted out and wired. But that's basically all I've done to it so far. But look at that dash mat. I mean, look at my dirty windscreen, but look at that dash mat. And it does have the airbag cut out. So if your airbag ever explodes, there's nothing hindering the airbag from hitting you in the face and breaking your nose or something like that. I'm not sure if that's what they're designed to do, but from all accounts that's what happens. What else? I still love the car. It is absolutely brilliant to drive. More power than you can poke a stick at. You put your foot down in this thing to overtake and you're well and truly speeding if you don't watch it. Well and truly. So you have to be careful about that. It does have a rattle up here in the dash that's developed. Hopefully they can find and fix that. It's an annoying little rattle, you know, it's more of a buzz and not a rattle. So I'm hoping they can find that and fix it. They haven't been able to find it yet. So if anyone knows what causes that buzz or rattle inside the driver's side of the dash, apparently it's a fairly common thing with these Mahindras, is that particular bad buzz or rattle. I would much appreciate it. I found the fuse box, by the way. This has got 3 fuse boxes in it. It's got one right here, and to get to it you have to undo the screws, and this part's all hinged and it just drops down and it gets you to that fuse box. It's got a relay box behind the glove box and the main fuse box is under the bonnet. Alright, how many Ks have I got on it now? Remember, I bought this brand new. It had 30 Ks on it when I bought it. And I got 1,859 Ks on it. Very goodly, very goodly. I am really pleased with the car for the price. Yeah, you just can't beat it. You just can't beat it. All right, needs a wash. It might rain soon, one day. Also like to test the gutters. I need some rain so I can test my gutters up there. Please send me some. Okay, that's it. Keep safe, everyone. Bye for now.